2018 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, Homelink garage door opener, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, front bucket seats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.